In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe in Microsoft OneNote. If you're using the OneNote desktop app on Windows with an active Microsoft 365 subscription, you have a powerful transcription tool built right in. This lets you convert speech to text either by recording directly in OneNote or by uploading an existing audio file. First, open the OneNote desktop app and head to the Home tab on the toolbar. Look for Record and Transcribe, sometimes labeled simply Transcribe, and click it. A Transcribe pane will open on the right side of your notebook. If you don't see this option, make sure you're signed in to a Microsoft 365 account and that OneNote is fully updated. It also helps to check that your microphone is set up and allowed in Windows settings. To capture live audio, choose Start Recording in the Transcribe pane. Speak clearly into your microphone. An external mic or headset can noticeably improve accuracy. Try to minimize background noise and speak at a steady pace. If you're recording a meeting or lecture, place the microphone as close as reasonably possible to the main speaker. When you're finished, click Save and Transcribe Now. OneNote will save the audio file and begin converting the speech into text. This process may take a moment, especially on longer recordings, and it works best with a stable internet connection. If you already have audio, you can transcribe that instead. In the Transcribe pane, click Upload Audio, then pick your file. Common formats like .wav, .mp4, .dand4a, and .mp3 are supported. After you upload, OneNote will process the audio and generate a transcript. Longer files take longer to complete, so keep the app open while it works. When the transcription finishes, review the results in the Transcribe pane. You can play back the audio to double-check sections and make quick corrections for any misheard words. If there are multiple speakers, you can adjust the speaker labels so it's clear who said what. When you're happy with it, click Add to Page to insert the transcript into your OneNote page. From there, you can edit the text like any other note, format it for readability, and add your own highlights or comments. A few final tips. Speak close to the microphone, avoid talking over others when possible, and keep your system updated for the best accuracy. With these steps, you'll be able to turn meetings, lectures, and voice notes into clean, searchable text right inside OneNote.